In this tutorial video today, I'll be showing you how to enable the developer console for Euro Truck Simulator 2. Now all you have to do is very easy, is go on Start, My Documents and find Euro Truck Simulator 2. Once you've found it, double click and find the config file like this one here. Now my default program to open this file is already Notepad, but if it isn't, all you have to do is click once, then right click and then open with, and then you can search other programs and make sure it's Notepad and use that as a default. So once that's selected, I'll just hit OK and then this will pop up. This is the information that we need. So we're going to scroll right the way down until we find developer. Now normally this is on 0, but because I've already enabled it, you need to put it on 1. So change that 0 to a 1. Then we'll scroll down a little bit more and we'll find the console. Again, this is normally on 0, and if you haven't done this yet, yours will be on 0 as well. So we're going to take out that 0 and put in 1. So they're both on 1. Then, if we go up a little bit more, we'll see this one here, fly speed. Now, when you press 0 on the computer, you can fly around and observe the whole Euro Truck Simulator world, and this is how fast you can fly. 50 is a pretty good speed because it's not too fast, but it's not too slow. So once you've put that to 50, we're going to exit that, but make sure you save it. It's very important. And then if you're a bit unsure, if you don't think it's saved or whatever, double click on it again and just make sure that the save, the changes have been saved. So as you can see here, console 1, yeah, that's been saved. Okay, so once that's done, we can exit that and we'll load up Euro Truck Simulator 2. Okay, now I've loaded up Euro Truck Simulator 2 and I've enabled the console. Now you have to look on your keyboard. Now if you look under Escape, top left, and just above Tab, and next to the number 1, there is a button. If you press this once, the console will come up in Euro Truck Simulator 2, just like this one here. Now, if you have any red text like I do in this, then it means there is a problem, mainly probably with the version and the mod, that something conflicts and something's not quite working as it should. But this is fine. So to get rid of this, you just press it again, open it up again if you want, like that. And we'll be using this in my map editing tutorial videos. But for now, this doesn't really affect the camera. So all you have to do is hit drive, wait for that to load. Currently transporting hot chemicals to Munich. Okay, now we're in the lorry. Just press the 0 and then this is the default view for the new camera that you have just enabled. It tends to look under the truck and trailer. And then using the numbers on the number keypad on the right hand side of the keyboard, you can press 9 to go up, 8 to move forward, 5 to go back, 6 to move to the right, 4 to move to the left, and then if you're not using your mouse to drive the truck in the game, you can rotate and look in a different view with your mouse, just like this. Use this with the keyboard and you can fly around like I'm doing right now. This is great for getting like really good pictures that you wouldn't normally be able to get, such as if you were coming under this little bridge right now, you could set the camera up on top of here like that and just snap. You can actually use this while you're driving, but obviously it takes a little bit of getting used to. But like I said, you can fly all around the map, see all the details, like this little village here that's not meant to be accessible, but just here for details. You can see everything like that. And yeah, that's basically how the new camera works. All you have to do is press 0 and you're there. You can start moving around and flying. If you find this is far too fast for you flying, you can just edit the config file again, with double clicking it and changing the fly speed to, I don't know, maybe 25, 20, depending on how fast or how slow you want it. So say I want to get back to my truck now, all I have to do is just press 1 on the keyboard again, or 2, whatever view I want. So yeah, that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and be sure to give it a like.